right? Whew. All right, here's the deal. Episode 61 made me cut short, so we're gonna go to episode 62. And if you guys wonder why I look really wet, it started pouring, so I had to get back inside, and I'm hoping the soccer game suspends the game. So let's go. We're gonna watch McKee taking on Tottenville, all right? So let's get started. All right, we are here for a high school girls volleyball game.
It is my school.
Oh! And I have just been told that the game just started, but because there was an injury on the last volleyball game, that's what caused the delay. So you didn't really miss much, but McKee is on a roll right now.
Against this guy's high school.
Swing and a miss.
Oh, I don't think I brought a sweater with me or anything.
Oh.
I can't see it. What's going on?
There's a score malfunction.
It's really 10-6?
Nah, it's 10-7.
That's better.
That's the right score.
What the heck?
Oh, miscue!
Alright,
Let's see if Tottenville can redeem themselves after we saw them play against Wagner at Staten Island Tech.
That's why I want to watch this game.
That is super out of bounds.
Darn it! 8-11. Ooh, I'm not even going to say the next score.
I don't think that's the right score. I mean, yeah, you know, it might be a right score. I don't know.
Come on, let's go.
And she hit twice. If not, then that's a carry. Yep, that's a carry. 12-8.
Son of a gun, that's hard.
I feel like I'm still being rained on.
I'm sorry, Dave. I really was having that song.
Is there a leak? Oh! Oh, and the ceiling! My God, the ceiling!
My goodness.
This ceiling is so low in the gym. That is a bad, bad ceiling.
My goodness, this game is
There's a big, bad ceiling. Oh. The ceiling again!
Oh my God!
14-8.
Damn, that sucks. The Seagulls.
Right to the net.
Damn.
Timeout's been called.
Wow!
Wow.
Oh my God.
23-14.
That's not surprising.
Yeah, they would take 5 more points for the Monsters Inc. reference.
But at least time was getting a little better. There's a practice more.
Over the net. Good block. Wow! That save!
Oh, but he hit the ceiling again.
Ooh, bumps right into his own teammate.
Oh, imagine you get 23-19.
Oh my God.
That would be hilarious. That'd be hilarious.
Yeah, you just said that.
Let's go, man. Sorry. I'm just intense about this game right now, James.
No, I feel you. Good spike.
hit. That's a good hit.
Oh! 24-15. Oh, it hit the ceiling again. Pirates still alive in this set.
Damn, that's 16 to 24. Damn. This is gonna be a hard one. Let's see what happens.
Too hard.
Seagulls
24-17.
still alive.
Just barely.
There you go.
There's a shuffle.
Okay, people serve, baby.
Oh, almost a miscue. Did not go over. Wow.
Hit the net. I saw that.
Yeah, but that didn't go over.
Now,
24-19.
5 points behind.
Yeah, if 23 stood put, then it would have been 23. Too hard, and that's how you end the first set of volleyball.
Damn it. Let's see how my video turned out to be.
Well, that is 1-0. It is 1-0 McKee Seagulls.
Yeah.
And we'll be back for the second set of high school volleyball. Welcome back to volleyball. Jeez. Welcome back to volleyball. The reason why you hear me out of breath is because I went back to check out the soccer game. The score is 5-0. And the game did not suspend.
Wow, I'm surprised.
We are back for Tottenville versus McKee. And yeah. This might be a third set. This game might be going to a third set. Oh! I might have changed it. Yeah. If you want to see the full game, go to MJ23's channel. He has more of the clips of this volleyball game than I do. I went back and forth with volleyball and soccer. You're watching episode 62. When I came back, I kept recording episode 61. I've been back and forth today. Here on this very rainy Wednesday morning.
You dumbass!
Wednesday, you get my point. I am so drenched, I'm lost for words.
This is still episode 3.
4? No? Why?
One of the videos from Fort Richmond versus Wagner.
Wait, why? Wait, so you're not uploading the Wagner versus Fort Richmond game?
I messed up.
What'd you do?
Oh.
What?
The video was not like, it was in a different position.
So the angle wasn't right.
That's correct.
All right, so it's fine. Just let me. Do you still have them? You believe them?
Sorry, James.
God damn it!
I'm sorry, James. I'm sorry.
Ceiling again. Oh. This school has one of the worst ceilings in the island. And timeout's been called.
Oh my God.
We might see the third set for the second time in the Groundhop series. MJ23 is hyped up.
Yes, I am. My school is winning, baby. I'm ready for sudden death.
Sudden death set.
Like I said, may the best high school win.
Yeah, I can't wait. That is in! It's an ace! 11-20.
Here we go.
Another timeout!
Are you kidding me?
Ceiling. That is... Ow! Six! Double six! I saw that coming. I saw that coming. Man, my shirt went from navy blue to black.
I just noticed that.
Oh. Almost hits the ceiling. Oh.
Come on. Come on, Pirates. Come on, Pirates. There you go.
Oh! That has to hurt.
I actually heard that thud.
Yeah, me too.
It's not for an injury.
No, she's fine.
Let's go, SIT.
Oh, caught him off guard.
22.
Let's go, girls.
Let's go, Pirates. Let's go, Tottenville.
Oh my God, none of them are ready. Oh, McKee managed to pick themselves up. That is out. Man, Tottenville got ready so quick that the McKee Seagulls were tying their shoes.
I want to watch the sudden death, baby.
Yeah, me too. Second time in history in my YouTube channel. Ceiling again.
Sorry, I'm excited, guys.
Set point.
We are going to sudden death.
Don't jinx it. Here they come. Service error.
Damn it, James. Damn me.
I actually had a pretty good day. She hit twice. That is too quick of a call. I did not see a double hit. Honestly, I did not see a double hit. Service error! Sudden death!
Here we go! Sudden death!
Guess what, everyone? We are going to the
Sudden death?
third set.
Sudden death.
Sudden death. Sudden death. Safe. Backfired, huh?
Here we go, guys.
Look at this shirt. It's a Floridian Tottenville Pirates shirt.
The only thing we can disagree on.
I don't think we can disagree.
That's the only thing we can disagree on. Just like James and Fran did in Newdorf.
Yeah. All right, here we go for the third set. Here it comes. There's a miscommunication. Oh, here it comes.
Right, thank God it's here. Thank God we're up here.
Yeah. 4-9.
Let's go, guys. let's go.
Damn. I mean, I'll give McKee credit. They're actually doing pretty
Yeah,
good.
give credit where credit's due for McKee Seagulls.
I'm serious, they're actually doing pretty good.
Yes, I do call them McKee Seagulls. Their real name is McKee/Sanau and Tech, but I call them McKee Seagulls. Okay, that'll just take up more space of the title. Oh, no carry's been called. No double hit. Oh!
Right in the faces.
All right, I could understand why they stopped right there because they don't want to, collide with each other.
Yeah, you gotta be real careful.
They don't want to. They don't want to crash into each other. So you can't go. You can't really go haywire on them.
Ready? Good job.
Oh, they collided, but there was nothing trash course. In,
Damn.
just in.
Yep.
Close the gap. Close the gap.
Oh, that hit the pipe up there. And she hit twice.
I'm set. Here we go, here we go. Good game, good game. It's not just something.
These are good games we are watching. There's a blowout outside where it's pouring raining. Ouch.
Let's go.
Alright, that was actually impressive from McKee.
7-10.
Go, girls.
That's a 7-11.
Go, Pirates.
It could be 7-11. We saw 7-11s before. Twice, actually.
We did?
Yeah, Sanau and Tech, remember?
Oh yeah, you're right.
That is not possible now.
Damn. Now Pirates try to step up their game.
McKee's coming back.
Let's go.
Oh, good.
Come on.
Oh, good block! Tottenville points! Seagull player carried. 8-11.
8-11.
Oh man, she's challenging the call. I don't think she liked the call, Jordan.
Number 18 on the Seagulls?
Yeah, she did not like that call.
Ouch. That's not her fault.
That is out of bounds.
Way
And
out of bounds.
that is Tottenville's point. 8-12. And we have just avoided the 9-11 score.
That I agree. 9-12.
Yeah, that's a better case scenario. And we don't want to talk about 9/11.
Never.
No, we are not talking about that.
Oh man.
Let's go. We got this.
He's on top of it over there.
Let's go.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, her?
Yeah.
I like her shirt, Cartoon Network.
Hit it. Hit the ball.
Oh, snap.
No.
9-13. And we switch sides.
We do?
Yeah. When we get to 13, we switch sides.
Started.
Good block by the Pirates.
Amazing.
That was a weak hit.
Let's go, Pirates.
MJ23 is cheering on for his team. That's the second time we saw this team, right?
Yes.
Yeah, second
They
time
lost
too.
to Seagulls. Whatever.
Yeah, that was victorious.
Now this is gonna be This will be the Pirates completing themselves.
Oh!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness! Oh my god!
Oh!
Spike! Good spike!
She blocked that like it was nothing. 9:15. Oh! Just getting over. Oh! Hit the net. Six! Double six! 9:16. Timeout's been called again.
Come on!
You cheeks. I don't know why you're trying.
I'm not even trying.
You are clearly trying.
10-16, damn.
You're gonna get punished hard.
Huh?
You're gonna get punished hard. That's in! 11:16. You know what that means? It's my birthday! November 16th, it's my birthday!
Oh my god.
Oh! 12:16. Sealing again! Whoa, ball my guard.
Come on. Good. Serve.
Again, 13-20. Oh my god, this is crazy. That is out. McKee's point.
Oh yeah, it was.
14-20.
It was a little off. 2014, the year Robin Williams died.
Yeah.
Come on, Pirates!
Oh my god! Did you see that?
Oh my goodness! Oh yeah!
Did you see that?
Did you guys see that? That was an awesome spike. Oh my god. I'm actually enjoying this.
This has to be the best volleyball game ever. Timeout! Timeout's been called again!
Let's go! Woo!
Welcome back. 14-22 is the score in the third set of volleyball. 14-23.
Almost done with this.
recording? Yes, I'm recording. Service error!
It's okay, it's okay. Alright, it's a substitute.
Yeah. Oh, just got over the net! Ceiling! Oh, that is out. McKee's point. 16-23.
Come on, Pirates. You got 2 points. Oh my God.
Oh, but it's McKee's point. She carried. Tottenville Pirate carried.
Oh well. It's still 24.
No, it's not.
Okay, that's better.
17-23.
Okay, that's better.
Oh my gosh, that carry call might have changed it all. Oh, she can save it! Oh! 18-23.
I want to see 23-19.
23-19 could be the chance. That's the boys volleyball team right there. We did see them back in March. Oh!
23-19.
Folks, for the second time ever, 23-19. I got my revenge, you SOB! Revenge!
Shut up.
Timeout's been called. This should be the last timeout of the game. In, ceiling! Oh! 2023!
Come on.
McKee is slowly coming back!
Come on.
McKee is rolling it up!
Come on, Pirates. Let's go.
Oh God! Oh! Oh my God, Jordan!
Shit.
21-23! 21-23!
Come on. There you go. There you go.
Oh my God! McKee!
What are you doing?
McKee! No! Jordan's not very happy.
Oh man. There you go.
Oh! Tottenville has to be more aggressive because McKee's coming back.
There you go.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh! Blocked it! He blocked it!
This is it.
Match point! There's a shuffle, there's a substitution for Tottenville. They need one more point. If McKee gets to 24th, they have to win by 2 points. It's that close. This game is that close. Oh! Oh! Going over. Not quite. 23-24.
Shit. This is ridiculous.
This is the craziest, and I mean it, craziest volleyball game ever.
Come on, Jake. Not even funny.
You did say it. Oh! Oh!
Do it.
Oh, that was partially judged. Oh!
No.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Wait, it's tied up.
24-24. That means you cannot win the game by 25. Now it's win by 2 situation.
So it has to go up to 26?
Yeah.
Wow,
25 points, no longer an option.
How did I know that?
Francesca told us. Oh my God.
I'm actually liking this game. I don't care who wins.
Timeout.
I actually don't care who wins or loses. I'm actually just enjoying the
This
game.
is the craziest game ever. This will be a heartbreaking loss for either team that loses.
Oh my God.
McKee! Oh! We're back over to McKee's side. Ceiling! Oh!
I saw that.
Oh my God! Gotta get it over! Just over! That is in!
Oh wow.
Oh, he almost fell. And again, we're at match point. This time it's for McKee. 26 could win the game. Unless Tottenville gets 25.
And then what, it's gonna go up to 27?
Yeah. The game is over!
McKee won, guys. I don't care if Tebow lost.
Oh, McKee Seagulls just prevailed. That's like one of the best games I have ever watched.
I know.
That is
It's okay. It's just a game.
one of the
But anyway,
best
we gotta
victories
go.
I've seen from McKee. A
Thank you guys so much for watching this
heartbreaking
video.
loss for
If you wanna see this
Tottenville.
video,
A
go to my channel,
heartbreaking loss for
subscribe as soon as
Tottenville.
possible.
My God.
And your TV saying peace out, guys. Adios.
Everyone, game over. McKee Seagulls win it 2-1 in a third sudden death. In the end, it's one of the greatest volleyball games we have ever watched, and I hope you guys enjoy it more enough where we can go to more volleyball games. I thank you guys for the support. I know this is a long video, so I don't want to take up much more of your time. I just want to say thank you guys so much for the opportunity to watch this video, even though it's like a 30-minute video now. And yeah, this is Mirror TV signing out. Good night, everybody.